Today I'm going to show you how to add memes to videos in CapCut step by step so you can make your edits more funny, more engaging, and way more scroll stopping. Whether you want to place a reaction meme, a green screen clip, or a trending animated sticker on top of your footage, this method will help you do it quickly in CapCut Desktop. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and load your project. If you already have your main video started, great. If not, create a new project and get everything ready on the timeline. Now click Import and bring in both your base video and your meme asset. This could be a downloaded green screen meme clip, a reaction video, or any other meme style file you want to place over your edit. Once the files are imported, you're ready to start building the scene. If you do not have a downloaded meme file, don't worry. CapCut also has built-in tools that can help you find animated graphics, stickers, and reaction-style templates. That means you can still add memes without needing to search the web for every single clip. Open the Stickers tab, or if you want to use a template-style element, check the Template section in the top left menu panel. From there, use the search box to look up meme-related keywords, trending reactions, or funny visual elements that match the style of your video. Once you find something you like, drag it onto your timeline. The important thing here is to place your main video on the primary track, usually track 1, and then place the meme clip on the track above it. This layering is what allows the meme to appear on top of your base footage instead of replacing it. After that, you can stretch or shorten the meme clip using the duration handles so it appears at exactly the right moment. Timing matters a lot, especially if you want the joke or reaction to hit properly. Now let's say your meme clip has a green background. In that case, you'll need to remove it so only the subject of the meme stays visible. Click the meme clip on your timeline, then go to the top right settings panel. Open the video tab and look for Remove BG. If CapCut gives you the option for Chroma Key, check that box as well. Then use the color picker eyedropper and click directly on the green area in the preview screen. CapCut will start cutting out the background automatically. After that, adjust the strength slider until the green fully disappears. If there are still rough edges or leftover color around the subject, move the shadows setting slightly until the cutout looks cleaner. Take your time here, because a well-keyed meme looks much more professional than one with obvious green spill around the edges. Once it looks good, you can move on to positioning. To place the meme exactly where you want it, click on the video canvas and drag the meme around the screen. You can also resize it by pulling the corners until it fits the composition. For example, you might want a small meme in the corner for a reaction effect, or a bigger meme in the center for a dramatic moment. The key is to make sure it adds to the video instead of covering important parts of your footage. At this point, you can also fine-tune the timing again. Play the video back, check the moment the meme appears, and make sure it lands on the right beat, joke, or reaction. If needed, trim the clip a little more so it feels natural. The best meme edits are usually the ones that look intentional and perfectly timed, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add memes to videos in CapCut using imported files, built-in stickers or templates, and green screen removal with Chroma Key tools. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edits feel more fun, more modern, and more shareable. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more editing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.